Yo, good to have you here on Max the Click right now. This is the best place you can ever find yourself in the world at this moment. I'll be exposing you guys, or you rather, to a strategy, a magical strategy that will make you excel applying support and resistance strategy while trading binary option the digital market. I'll be exposing you to what you've not seen from any other trader online or anywhere in the world. I'm going to show you when you call on trades, when to pull up and when to initiate every trade, guys. So make sure you watch this video to the end, and thumbs up for me, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, your loved one, which you feel this video will be beneficial to. Okay, I'm going to give you 3 seconds to subscribe to the channel. 1, 2, 3. Good. I guess you did that. You did that. I guess you did that. So make sure you tell your friends about this video, and make sure you apply the strategies I've seen and stick to it. I mean, stick to it. Stick to the plan. When you go off the plan, you're losing some trade, but when you stay on the plan, you make some good trades. So guys, let's go down to my broker. I'll be trading the British pound against the Japanese yen today, and I'm using IQ option as my broker for this illustration. So guys, stay positive in this, man, and always give us thumbs up and follow other videos. I'll be making videos about MACD and stochastic strategies as time goes on. Indicators.
Okay guys, for our illustration we're going to be using the British pound and against the Japanese yen. That's what we'll be using for this training today. And first of all, you have to make sure that your candlesticks are on 1 minute interval, and equally we're going to make use of our indicators, your horizontal indicators, using blue for the resistance, and so now we will be using red for the support. So let me get my support next. So let's use this last one here. Good. Then let's go make our support. Now let's use yellow for our support. Let's make it a bit thicker. Okay. Bring it this way. Okay. I guess it has even crossed. Once it touches the line and pulls back, we are going to touch it. Okay, we put it, touched the blue and pull back, so I now had to put. If you check, that's the resistance line up there, which is the blue. The red had to show me that it was weak when it crossed the red and touched the blue and descended back, so I now had to put. So putting that enables us to know that there's a strong force there which won't permit it to exceed the blue line, because if you check, that point has been used before and the regression line has been used like 3 times now. So let's see how our profit is. You see, this is a very simple strategy, my own magical strategy. You know, we're still trying to plot it while we got to realize that the market has gone big and we just had to exceed in doing the trade, making the trade. So you see, I invested $5, and that $5, the interest rate is $87. So I got $4.35 within some minutes, or within a minute rather, few seconds. So this is virtually my magic behind this whole game. So the yellow there stands for the support, while the blue is the resistance, and we got to check when the market is weak. Probably it approaches the blue and touches the blue and now repels back. Once it repels back to the red line, which was joined to show the previous resistance level, so we now had to make our trade. So guys, you click on the subscribe button for further videos, and probably if you're not uh, clarified on how the my magical strategy works, you can always join my Telegram group, or you chat me up anytime. I will always respond to you. So this is my own personal strategy that differs from what every other trader out there has. So always make sure your candlestick is at 1 minute interval, and always make sure the market is big before you make your trade. It has to touch the blue line and now repel down to the red line before you now enter your trade. You get? So I had to put in $5 for this, and I'm getting $4.35 as interest. So guys, what are you waiting for? Share these videos to your friends, your family and loved ones rather, and always give a thumbs up, like the video, and subscribe to the channel, and tell your friends too to subscribe to it and learn this simple magical strategy using support and resistance, man.